Think buying's about price? Think again. It's your brain playing a game of pleasure and pain. Save this video. You're about to see shopping in a whole new light. I'm Tracy from the Dark Horse Entrepreneur Podcast, where this week we are diving into neuroscience and marketing. We've decoded why your brain loves some prices and hates others. Ready for insider secrets? Stanford's experiment revealed this. Seeing a product lights up your brain's reward center, but the price? That hits the pain center. This isn't just shopping, it's a neural dance of emotions. Knowing this, marketers can craft prices that feel more like keys to happiness than costs. Use this insight to shop smarter and market wiser. Do you love this brainy insight? Hit like and follow for more mind-bending marketing tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And for the full mind-blowing episode, click the link in my bio. Dive deeper into the world where neuroscience meets the marketplace.